Hi, this is just going to be a really quick video. I'm going to show you how to change the size of the font in the code editor of HISE. So we need to open the HISE preferences, and there's two ways to do that. You can either go up here to the top right and click the cog icon. It says show audio settings, but it shows all of the settings. Or you can go to File and then down to Preferences. And it brings us to this window. And then we can either scroll down the list or we can just click Development over here on the side. And we can see here it says Code Font Size. We can also get to this just by typing in the search at the top here. We could type font and we get code font size as well. So we can just change this to any number we like. So let's change it to 30 and we're going to see the font increase. We can go back to that. And I'll change it back to something really small like 18 and the size decreases. So it's just really good to be able to adjust the font size to suit your monitor and suit the size that you like. So I usually have it about there, about 24. It works out quite well on this larger monitor. Alright, I hope you found this helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.